Hello and welcome to your Tuesday afternoon yogi smoke break at a different time today because we get to be flexible due to a training. I am blessed to be joined by my friend and coworker, Erin.
Hello.
Yes, and we are on UNO's campus where we just finished a training. And I'm much comforted by this affirmation today of my breath is always with me for support. We've had a lot of emotions recently.
Yes. Yeah.
A lot of emotions.
Emotional couple of weeks.
And so glad that I have meditation and things to help me. Ooh, and we are right by the bell tower. That's lovely. And today, should we wait for the, oh, great, the bell's done. Today, it just happened that I was listening to a podcast with Jay Shetty, who is this amazingly inspirational, wise author. He's a monk who his YouTube videos go completely viral. And he said something powerful that was perfect for me today to remember. And he said that in monk school, one of the first things that they learn is that the breath is the one thing that always stays with us. And if we are aware of the power of the breath, then we can use it to manipulate our emotions. Because, the moment that we get angry, the breath changes. When we get sad, the breath changes. And so if it automatically changes, but then we are aware of the power of how it can change to serve us, we have this whole other sense of control that we maybe weren't aware of before. And I definitely got to use that today. Like, for example, square breathing while driving to help keep me calm. So to get started today, we are going to use square breathing, square or box breathing, where we inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold it out for 4. And I love that this one can be done with the eyes open. That's why I love it for driving or just any situation where it's not appropriate to have your eyes closed.
Yes.
So we are going to start with that, where we inhale for 4 seconds. Hold it. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold it. One more round. Inhale. Pause at the top for 4. Exhale. Hold it out for 4. And that's something you can do as long as you need to, or increase it for longer lengths of time. And to start with stretches today, we are going to inhale our arms up. And we are going to exhale to rest the hands on the elbows. And a lot of times in yoga, as the body goes up, we inhale, and as the body goes down, we exhale. And so we are going to start by exhaling down to the side, and we will start with going off to our right, exhaling down, so we feel a side stretch. Hold it as long as you comfortably can, but yoga should be gentle and comfortable and do whatever works for your body. Inhaling up. Exhaling down the other side. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. And inhaling up. Okay. Another thing, if you're like us and maybe had a little bit of negative energy today, to bend out that negative energy and to get rid of, depression, anything. Yes, anything that does not serve you. In Kundalini, it is called the Miracle Bend, and so we will do a seated adaptation version of it, in which we lock thumbs and start with the hands down, and we will inhale as we go up, arching the back. So a nice deep inhale as the hands go up, and then we hold the arms back behind the ears, and we are arching the back. Hold it as long as you comfortably can before you slowly exhale forward.
Yeah, no problem. I'll let you go and catch you sometime again soon.
Inhaling up. Arching the back. So you feel that stretch. And exhaling forward. And one more powerful inhale. Arching the back, and exhaling forward. All right. And because we get to have fun today, and I just think Sufi grinds are fun,
It sounds fun.
we're going to do Sufi grinds, one of my favorite ways to warm up when we are doing Kundalini Yoga, where we put the hands on the knees and we inhale as the body moves forward, exhale as it moves back, and we are slowly moving. So we're starting off on this side and inhaling forward. Once we get to the side, exhaling back. Powerful breath. Inhaling forward. Powerful breath back. Inhaling forward. Exhaling back. Now we're going to pause at the side for a moment so that we can switch directions. And again, we are still going to exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhaling back. Inhaling forward. Exhaling back. And for a short yet powerful meditation, I am putting my hands on my heart. Maybe for you, you're putting your hands on your belly or hands open on your knees or wherever helps you to feel mindful. For me, it's helpful if I can feel my heartbeat. And so as we inhale today, I am inhaling all that I wish to encompass. So I am taking a deep inhale and thinking of calm. I'm noticing the breath and noticing everything around me like the wind. And I am really exhaling with releasing anything I wish to let go of. And as I inhale again, I'm thinking of something else I wish to encompass, which today is patience. And exhaling anything that does not serve me. Noticing how it feels and not judging, but just noticing. One last time, inhaling anything I wish to encompass. And exhaling anything I wish to release. And with the hands on the heart, I am just noticing what it feels like. My breath and the heartbeat and anything around me, the sounds and the sensations. And with that, I am ready to open my eyes. And thank you for joining me. Acknowledge yourself for taking just a few moments for self-care, to be completely present, where you are not obsessing about anything that you can't control that already happened or anything in the future. Acknowledge yourself for bringing that calm and peace into your life, because we are then able to radiate that to others. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you on Thursday.